Welcome, welcome, Monday morning. Yay, Monday morning. That means new fabrics. And we're going to start with beautiful combination. Look at these two together. Oh, they're so pretty. Even in one garment. It'd be pretty to do like a side panel. It's just beautiful. My focus this morning is on blouses because blouses are really our POM. There we have an online blouse fitting class, and we really want to take advantage of blouses. We want to get them down and get them lovely. I loved making blouses. So this is going to start with this kind of a peach color. It's 100% cotton. It's a woven, and it's just very pretty. Very simple, but very pretty, and really pretty with this. This is like a light peach, so they blend beautifully together. This is a light peach. It's a cotton poly. It's like a striated velvet. Isn't that pretty? Just so beautiful. And of course, velvets always have a nap to them. So they're kind of different colors, whether they go up or down. It has a little darker feel to it this way. But either way, just an absolutely beautiful fabric, especially for our POM. It would just be lovely. And then pants to match. This is 100% cotton. Love this. Really, you could use both sides. It's a little darker on one side than it is on the other. Beautiful Italian cotton. Just really lovely. Small dot would be great with denims. And I paired it with this, to be quite honest. This is a great cotton poly is what this is. It has this crinkle, and the whole reason it's cotton poly is so that crinkle will stay. Beautiful piece of fabric, beautiful drape. It does have stretch in one direction, but it's really more mechanical. I think it just is really treated as a woven. This is a border. I love these two together. This could be a great kind of cape or something. Anyway, love the colors. This is all of your spring colors that are going to be in. Your wines, your navy, on a cream background. This is a border that's on one edge. It's at 100% cotton. The border is 8 inches. And the rest of the fabric is the same. So just one border on one selvage, and it runs the whole length of the selvage. Could be vertical, could be horizontal, just lovely. Just lovely. But it's a woven piece of fabric. Really pretty. And I put in a little bit of wine because it is so popular right now. And why not? If you look at the print of this wine, it is so beautiful. This is a cotton poly. It has a great pattern to it. It's just really lovely. Very subtle, but it make just a beautiful blouse. All right, so I don't know if I told you, everything's $14.99, which is ridiculous because it will only stay that way today and tomorrow because fabrics are too expensive. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.